Welcome to the London Classic Car Show 2021. I'm Adam from thecarinvestor.com, and today we'll be taking a walk around the show to check out some of the best classic cars in the UK. We'll also be catching up with David Spickett of the Car Crowd, which is a new classic car investment platform, and later on taking a walk through the show's evolution of car design. This is the first show that we've been to in over a year thanks to the pandemic, so let's take a look around and see what cars they have in store for us.
So the Car Crowd is a brand new concept to the UK. We're crowdfunding classic cars. We're trying to bring classic cars, making them available for everybody. We divide every single car into 1,000 shares. It forms its own limited company, and then you can buy one or more of the shares within that company. And because it's a limited company, you actually own real equity of that vehicle. So even if the Car Crowd was to go bust or whatever, you would still have real equity within that company, and you'd still be able to get your money back when that vehicle is sold. So it's a real good sort of safe way of investing into something that you're really passionate about. So we went live in October 2020. Our first car, the Peugeot 205 GTI. It's the 1.6, 24,000 miles from new, one owner out in Northern Ireland. That's actually invested now, or fully funded, should I say. 64 different people own shares in that car, and that was funded in January. And then we went dormant again because of COVID, as everybody had the troubles, and I was doing homeschooling. So we sort of didn't release the second car until the end of March, start of April, which is our Clio V6, and that's just about to be fully funded as well. Just a couple of hundred shares left in the Clio. And then we've got Spiker, C8 that's coming onto the platform very soon, Ferrari 360 Modena coming on at the end of the summer, plus also a 2-door Sierra Cosworth as well. So quite a range of pretty cool cars coming up, as well as the ones that we've already funded. So head to the website www.thecarcrowd.co.uk. If you click on invest in a car, you'll see all the different investment cars that are available. You can surf those, have a look. As I say, starting price is £30 in the Clio, up to about £200 in the Spiker. More cars will be coming online through the summer.